Scene, Baby Boo's nursery, colorful with toys all around. The morning sun shines in. Baby Boo is in the crib, waking up. Baby Boo, yawning, rubbing eyes, soft and sleepy. Good morning, son. Boo wakey? Baby Boo sits up, sees Teddy nearby. Baby Boo excitedly. Teddy, hi, giggly noises, peekaboo. Teddy, imaginary voice, deep and gentle. Well, good morning, Boo. Ready for ventures? Baby Boo nods fast. Uh-huh, big venture. Go, go, go! Baby Boo stands up in the crib and starts bouncing, holding on to the rails. Baby Boo calling out, Mama, Boo go explore, need sakis. Mommy, off screen, laughs gently, enters and picks up Boo. Mommy, good morning, my little explorer. Let's get you ready. Baby Boo, snuggling in. Mommy warm, like Teddy. Hee hee. Cut to Boo crawling on the floor in the living room, wearing socks with animal prints. Baby Boo pointing at a butterfly sticker on the wall. Looky, fly, whoosh. Teddy, imaginary voice. That's a butterfly, Boo. Let's chase it. Baby Boo, chase the fly, go zoom. Cue a slow motion crawl chase scene with giggles, silly music, and Boo trying to catch the butterfly sticker. Baby Boo, falling softly on pillow. Ooh, ha ha ha, Boo silly. Mommy returns with a sippy cup. Mommy, time for a break, adventurer. Baby Boo, reaching out. Juicy juice. Thank you, Mommy. Teddy, imaginary voice. Even heroes need juice. Baby Boo, grinning. Boo hero. Rawr.